family activities. Beyond the beaches, Phuket offers a wealth of cultural and natural attractions. Visit the majestic Big Buddha, perched on a hill with panoramic views of the island, or explore the historic Old Phuket town, known for its colorful Sino-Portuguese architecture and vibrant street art. For adventure seekers, there are plenty of opportunities for island hopping to nearby islands like Similan Islands, Thailand's underwater paradise. Located in the Andaman Sea, Similan Islands are a group of 9 islands renowned for their crystal clear waters, vibrant coral reefs, and incredible marine life, making it one of the best diving destinations. A part of the Similan Islands National Park, these islands are famous for their stunning beaches, dramatic rock formations, and unique underwater ecosystems. The clear waters provide visibility of up to 40 meters, allowing divers to witness a kaleidoscope of fish species, including turtles, manta rays, and even whale sharks. The islands are home to an array of exotic wildlife, from eagles soaring overhead to monkeys playing on the beaches. For those who prefer a more relaxed experience, the island's beaches, like Donald Duck Bay and Aotoli, offer perfect spots to swim, snorkel, and soak in the natural beauty. Whether you're a seasoned diver or